G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Welcome to this episode where we're going to take a look at how we can use QR codes in combination with Microsoft Forms to provide a nice, easy way to scan a code and then for a user to be able to fill out a form. Now, this came about when, in relation to COVID and when I was attending a local coffee shop, and we were sitting down. We wanted to take a table, and we wanted to sit down and have a coffee. So one of the things that we needed to do was actually fill out a paper form and register that we entered the coffee shop at a particular time with our name and our phone number. Now, rather than using a paper-based form, then have to manually enter that information into some type of system, we can actually fully digitize that process just via a little QR code. We can scan the code with our phone. It's going to open up the form in the browser, and we can just fill out that form, all collated in an Excel spreadsheet, which is kind of perfect. So let's take a look at how we can set that up. So you can see here on the page that I'm in Microsoft Forms. I've actually gone ahead and already created a form. Pretty simple form: first name, last name, phone number, the date of the arrival, and also the time that I entered. That's the form we're going to link to. Now, what we need to do is generate this QR code. So I've just done a quick Google search and I've found a QR code generator here that we can paste a URL into. So what we're going to do first is we're going to say anyone with this link can respond, and I'm going to copy this link. Then I'm going to jump over to this QR code generator here. I'm going to paste in the URL that when this code is scanned, it will just open up that URL for us. And I'm now going to save that code. I'm going to give it a file name, and we'll call it Daniel COVID check-in. And let's save it as a PNG, and let's save that file. We can now click that, and what's going to happen is that this QR code is now generated for me. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to flick over now to my mobile phone, and we're going to take a look at the process and the user experience when I scan that code. So here we are, we're going to scan this code now. We'll bring the phone up, we'll scan the code. It's going to open up this form in Safari. It allows me now to fill this form out. I'll pop my first name, my last name, and my phone number in, and then we'll put the date in here that we attended, and I'll put the time that we came in here, and we'll then submit that form, and that form has now been submitted. Okay, so now that form has been filled out, what we can see here is that in the responses tab here of the Microsoft form is that we've got that response there already automatically collated for us. We can see the response there, but more importantly, we now have this as an Excel spreadsheet, and all the information is being collated into this spreadsheet automatically for us, and we don't need to double handle that information. Okay, so there's all the information there that's come in, and we've now got all of that digitized for us. So a nice, easy example there of how we can implement and combine a QR code with Microsoft Forms for a nice user experience. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.